What's good everyone, it's MJO23Dan back with another video. Today's video we're going to be covering a special shoe. This one, the Rebellionaire Air Jordan 1. Let's get to it.
Can't stop you from wearing them.
Alright, so we can't talk about the Rebellionaire without talking about the 2011 Air Jordan 1 band shoe. Now this one released, as you guys know, back in the day, 2011, went straight to the outlets. And the only way to cop it was through the outlets. You guys know? The band X right there. I got the t-shirt in the back. This is the inspiration of the shoe. Obviously you guys know the band story. It didn't actually start with the Air Jordan 1. You guys know I've been a big proponent of the band theme, the band shoe. That is the Airship. So the Airship was banned officially on October 18, 1984. And that is all in there, right? But it says 85. One of the reasons why this thing went to the outlets. But nonetheless, you know, great shoe. Black and red was not a theme that was supposed to be worn on an NBA court, and so that's why the shoe was banned. Jordan was wearing the Airship at the time, but they made the whole campaign around the Air Jordan 1, and it worked out. So that being said, Jordan Brand released the Rebellionaire Jordan 1. So here we go with the story. You guys know the theme here. You guys understand what this is all about. So this is the original marketing campaign for Jordan Brand, or Nike at the time, and they can't stop you from wearing them.
On September 15th, Nike created a revolutionary new basketball shoe. On October 18th, the NBA threw them out of the game. Fortunately, the NBA can't stop you from wearing them.
Yeah, so Phenom contacted me and wanted to get a story out revolved around the Rebellionaire Jordan 1. So all the neighborhood stores are pretty much decking out their spots out with the band X on the doorways and all that, or however they choose to do so. So Phenom in Elk Grove actually reached out and asked me to play a part along with other collectors and influencers in the area and put out a video. And one of the questions in the video was, when was your, or what was your Rebellionaire moment? So here's a little video for you guys. My Rebellionaire moment was the time when I wanted to start my own YouTube channel. This was around 2013, and I can sense that the online forums were kind of going on a decline, and social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook were on the rise. And so I wanted to take my knowledge that I learned in the forums and reading books about Michael Jordan, collecting and all that, onto the landscape of something like YouTube. And there you go. So we'll take one out just to show you guys here. They used a black, gray, and white all over the shoe. Shout out to Eric Sandy, head designer of this shoe, originally from Cincinnati. Shout out to you guys out in corporate. So these guys over here, man, big rollout. So the shoes will officially drop in neighborhood stores all throughout on March 19, 2022. It's a Saturday. And yeah, I hope you guys, you know, follow your neighborhood stores. I'll try and put a list out in the description below so you guys can check it out. But this one specifically from Phenom. So if you guys are from the Sacramento area, Elk Grove, shout out to Phenom out there. And yeah, it's your opportunity to try and grab a pair. But I want to give you guys some more details especially all over the shoe. So let's take it underneath the camera here. I'll throw a camera over here and we'll go over every single detail, and I'll even compare it to the band shoe from 2011. Alright, so here you go, up close detail shots of the box. They can't stop you from wearing them. Script all around the box, especially the shoes. So you guys know, band theme going on, big red X on the lid. Here's the box label. Got my size 10. You can check out the style code, color code, and the colorway. So pretty much open the box. You get the red checks right there in that blurred vision right there. And then interestingly enough, it's unbanned here. But then you can see like the silhouette of like a shadow Jordan 1. So let me give you a little bit of history on that. So the shadow Jordan 1s, last retro released in 2018, and this is it right here. So as far as I know, Jordan has only worn this shoe in a couple games, and they were not in NBA games. They were in 2 games as I know. September 14, 1985 was a fall game called the UBNQ Cheap Shots versus the Twin City All-Stars. It's a game in which Jordan scored 71 points. Crazy, right? And then the following day he had another exhibition game, and that was September 15th, 1985 in the Push XL game. So I just thought that was pretty interesting how they use the shadows for the base pretty much of this shoe. But let me give you a close-up here between the two so you guys can take a look at the theme that's going on there. So pretty similar, other than the outsole of the shadow is black. The outsole of the Rebellionaire Jordan 1 is gray. Lighter gray on the Rebellionaire 1, obviously, and then you can see like all the other key differences there. So that's that. Let's get on with the Rebellionaire Jordan 1. So as you can see, black, gray, and then the red X on the back. Probably the best looking part of the shoe. All over the shoe itself, in script, they can't stop you from wearing them. It's a leather based shoe. The script is in like a high gloss print. Almost feels like very thin sticker like. And then beneath that is kind of like a cracked looking leather, but it doesn't have that feel of a cracked leather. And then the script all on the gray parts here. Thought they did a really good job just adding that on to the entire shoe. Black leather tongue, nylon tongue, white Nike Air on the tongue. On the inside here, you have black laces, cardboard shoe tree, and then black insole with Nike Air on the insole itself. Came with another set of laces, although I feel like they should have included red, you know, just to get that red popping off. So pair of white laces, all white, and then the black laces there. So I'm gonna go ahead and match it up to the band Jordan 1 from 2011. Alright, so here you go. This is the 2011 with the red X on the back. You couldn't really tell on that. They also had the red and white band, or actually gray, X marks on the inside on the lining. Then you can see the 10, 18, 85. If you guys know that the shoe was banned in 84, so it's my understanding that's why this shoe in particular went to the outlets, just because that it's incorrect. Here's what they look like side by side. I really like that the red X just pops off on the Rebellionaire. Really nice. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are overall. Hit me with a like, subscribe, check it all out. If you guys are new here, you know, I do reviews on Air Jordans and do comparisons like this in full detail, so you guys can get a look and feel like what the shoes are supposed to, you know, look like come release day, or, you know, after release and all that. See, here's the red laces. You can imagine, you know, just buying some red laces and putting them in here, it just really popped the shoe. So, but that's about it. Thank you guys for tuning in. You know, subscribe again, and hopefully I get some more videos out your way. Alright, so that is about it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the Rebellionaire Jordan 1. So if you guys are fortunate enough to, you know, cop a pair for yourself, you guys follow your neighborhood Instagram accounts. If you guys are watching it after the release, congratulations to you if you were able to cop a pair. And yeah, I'm looking forward to like one of the next ones. But again, shout out to Phenom out in Elk Grove. Talk to you guys later. Take care.